Hi, everyone. This is your host, Mr. Peter. I want to take a closer look into the structure of the euro dollar so that we can have a proper plan and how to execute our trade. Let me quickly turn to the weekly time frame and the monthly time frame to tell you what I expect. On the monthly time frame, we still believe that we are into 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are into the fifth wave now. This is 4 major here in the middle here, and this should be the last wave to the upside. But looking at this is not going to go up like this straight to the upside. I don't think so. And we need to pay a very close attention to, like I said, this is the monthly time frame. We are seeing price trying to break this to the upside. And now what do I expect? I expect that without breaking this, the tip of this bearish candle here, which is around 1.8300 or 320. Without breaking that, we should see some reaction to the downside to come very close to this area between here and here. You have to look at this area and this area here. So we still need a push to the downside. Now, with that said, I want you to get it more clearer on the weekly time, on the month, weekly time frame, what I'm seeing right now. Pay attention, because if you are in a loss, you need to pay attention here to know what to do. Now, like I said, we've done a 1-2 here, a 1-2, and this is internal 3 here, 4th wave. The 5th wave ended here. The 5th wave of 3 ended here. So we all understood the formation of A, B, C here, and we are seeing the last wave to the upside. So we're going to focus on this last wave here to the upside. And this last wave to the upside here has given us a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 formation. And so what I mean by that is this. So this is the first wave to the upside. This is wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and this is wave 5. So follow me again. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 here, wave 5. And after this wave 5, we should have an ABC correction. And this ABC correction, would retest a particular level, probably break this area, and before we go up again. Now, let's go into the daily time frame for you to see what I'm looking at. Now, what I'm looking at now here is this. This is wave 1 that I talked about, and this is wave 2. Now, this is wave 3. What we finished here, we were thinking we are finished with 5 here, and we are going to have a double correction. But unfortunately, it has become a wave 4 here right now. So it has become a wave 4 here right now, and we are pushing up to finish up the last wave 5. So don't be surprised that within 40 pips or thereabouts, we're going to see correction. I don't expect this thing to get to 1.18500 before we begin to see that correction. Maybe around this area here. Very soon, we're going to see that correction around this area, maybe 40 pips, 45 pips. We're going to see that correction. We are expecting it now. Like I said, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so this is the last wave to the upside. Now, going into the 30 minutes time frame, 4-hour time frame. So This is the fourth wave here. And so in this wave itself, we are seeing a 1, 2, a 3, a 4. That was where we saw this reaction yesterday. And this is the fifth wave. So we need to break the low of this. So if anybody wants to begin to sell this, once we break this low here at about 17,630, once we break that low, we can now be looking for, a correction for further sell, because if we do that sell, this sell probably will get to this area. So it can really fall. It can really fall. So that's what I want you to see. We are looking at something falling from here for close to about almost 200 pips. So we need to be careful. So we are going to look for this break here and for us to sell properly. This should, of course, could have ended with 5 here right now. It could have ended with 5 right here right now. So we're going to wait for what reaction we are getting here. If I bring out my drawing for you to see clearly, now this is with 1 in the red, with 2 in the red, 3 in the red, 4 in the red, and 5 in the red, may finish soon. This is the area I expect it to get to. This is the area I expect it to get to, around between 18 to 28, or around this area. If you want to look for a sell, you can begin to look for a sell around 18 to 60 area, and with a moderate stop loss here, if you're able, if price is going to get here, and we are going to short it. So if you're shorting it, that means we are going to break the low of this and probably come around this area here, before we go up again. So with that, I've come to the end of this short video. I don't expect it to rise beyond from here, from this top here. I don't expect it to rise beyond 40 pips. So let's see what the price is going to give us. Bye.